Bank in Palm Springs, out here supporting our friend's business. They've invited us to come out tonight. They're having an event. Looks like it's going to be pretty crazy, pretty wild. They're setting up for the bands behind me, so we're going to have a little fun tonight. Cars are parked outside. I don't know how much car content we'll get, but we're going to have some entertainment tonight. Knox, what are you guys doing?
How you doing?
How are you?
Hey, good to
see
see
you.
you.
Brother.
What's up,
How you doing, man?
How are you?
Look at your new ride. Is this new?
No, I just don't drive it as much.
Yeah, this is nice. Michaela, come check it out. You've probably been in a McLaren before, haven't you?
No.
No? Check it out.
This is my first time.
That's a good picture.
So cute. How can you not?
Let's ask our viewers. Would you guys like to see this lovely lady in the car more, or would you like to see me in the car more? Okay. Which one? I'm hoping there's a lot of viewers, supporters that would still like to see me in the car. You guys let us know. Comment, let me know. Oh, you're cheating now. You're cheating now.
I didn't say there's any rules.
Oh, wow. All right, now I just lost. I'm gonna vote against myself.
It's not cold, it's not chill.